Let me introduce you with a very powerful tool, and that is the YouTube Analyzer, in which you give a YouTube URL to the app, and the app analyzes the video and give you summary of the video in a textual form in few lines. Let me give you a demo of the tool. Here we have the tool in which there is a text input over here, in which the user gives the YouTube video URL. Any video the user want to analyze, she will copy and paste the URL over here and clicks on the submit button. The thumbnail of the video is displayed at once, and the analysis of the video is started. Now the Chat GPT model is now analyzing the video, and it will give you a brief summary. So here is the summary of this video. You can give any video URL over here, and just in few minutes you can get the summary. For instance, if there is a 2 hours video and you don't have time to watch all the video and need a summary of the video, just copy and paste the URL, click on the submit button, and you will get the summary. Now, the YouTube Analyzer app is developed in Python, and the basic structure is that it takes the video of transcript from the YouTube, and it gives to the LangChain and OpenAI model and generates the summary. So this is I can teach you how to build an OpenAI and LangChain app in Python. That is, how can we create this YouTube analyzer. The full video tutorial is available on Udemy. You can go to the Udemy and take this course to learn how to develop this very useful tool yourself.